Hi, this is Shogato. Two massive explosions rocked the Lebanese capital's port on Tuesday around 6:30 p.m. local time, killing and wounding dozens of people, shaking buildings and sending huge plumes of smoke blowing into the Beirut sky. The blasts were heard as far away as Nicosia on the eastern Mediterranean island of Cyprus, almost 240 kilometers away. The Secretary General of Qatar political party, Nazar Nazarian, was killed after being critically injured. According to Health Minister Hamad Hassan, at least 30 people have been killed and more than 2,500 injured. Doctors were operating on patients in parking lots as hospitals overflow. Some hospitals have also lost electricity due to Lebanon's long-running infrastructure problems. The Lebanese Red Cross said that every available ambulance from North Lebanon, Bekaa, and South Lebanon was being dispatched to Beirut to help patients. The cause of the explosions was not immediately determined. The Director General of Lebanese Public Security stated the explosion was caused by high explosive material that was confiscated and stored for years. Video footage of the second blast showed an enormous orange fireball that dwarfed nearby buildings and sent a devastating tornado-like shockwave ripping through the city. The President of Lebanon stated that the government would provide support to displaced people and the Ministry of Health would meet the expense of treatment for the wounded. The governor of Beirut, Marwan Aboud, broke into tears on television, calling it a national catastrophe. Signing off for now, pray for Beirut.